Okay guys, got home from work a little early. I still had some daylight and checking this out. So definitely need to get under here and clean this up, the frame rail up, and then maybe bend this back piece a little bit. On the other side there's a little portion of the frame, like a part of the weld for the seam that's holding it up, so I'm going to grind that off too. So definitely need to get in here and clean this up, grind it flat, as possible. But also I'm going to bend that, just tweak it a little bit on that back side. So I'm going to do all that, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, before I took this down, I wanted to just show you guys on the other side that piece of weld that looks like it's holding it up. I think it'll sit flush, just about flush, if I grind that down a little bit. Okay, we're gonna get at it. Okay guys, definitely made improvements. Got that all wire wheeled and hit it with the 40 grit wheel. I think what I'm gonna do is start tacking this in, and I'll maybe take the torch to it and heat this up and form it a little bit while I'm tacking it in. This piece is going to get MIG welded in because I cannot TIG weld upside down to save my life. So that's going to get MIG'd in, but I got both the bolts in the back. Well, short bolts. I'm going to put the long bolts in right now and get the nuts on them and tighten that down. These back ones, I'll get those TIG'd in at some point. But I got the holes to line up. It took a little bit of a pry bar to get that lined up, not much. But once these were up a little closer, it seemed to fit a little bit better. So I will give you guys an update here in a little bit. Bye. Okay guys, what I've done is the bolts are in the back, both sides. Those went in good. I got where these are making contact, I got some heavy tacks on both sides. So I feel pretty confident that those are not going to move. I want to heat those pads up and bend them to make them conform to the chassis when I weld it. So I'll stitch weld those around. Anyways, I want to get some stuff done before it gets too dark. Had to turn the light on. Anyways, I tacked this, I think it's a 5/8 2 120 wall across there. I also have my roll bar, and I'm just going to start cutting this K-member out, get it out of my way, and I'll nibble away with it with the plasma cutter tonight, see where I can get. And I just want to feel like I got something done today. Anyways, I'll show you what I get done in a minute. Alright guys, this is where I made it to. Just hacking away, not being too precise. Just wanted to get the big chunk out, and it is. I'll be a little more careful as I go, but this is all I'm going to get done tonight. I'm going to clean up. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving 2025, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and we'll be back. Plan is to hit this on Friday, get this all cleaned up, get these frame rails all cleaned up. Not sure how I'm going to do this front, if I'm going to leave this alone and keep the core support and bumper mounts as they are, and maybe just trim some of this off and make some more room. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we'll decide. And I'm going to try and get the stock control arms back on and see how that looks. Don't know if they're going to work or not, but we'll find out Friday. See you guys. Okay guys, I was cleaning up. I thought I had a narrowed rack, and I do. I bought this thing 6-7 years ago and never used it on a project, and I thought for sure I either gave it away or sold it. Obviously, the rack, they had a standard rack or something in here, but I don't know. I need to check with some people smarter than me to find out. The knuckles almost line up with the front A-arm bolt. I don't know if that's okay or not. I'm going to check with some people smarter than me and find out. If that's the case, I just got to move these in, or actually just move this one in. I think that one might be good. Anyways, that's a cool find. Saved me $400, $500, $600. I don't know what those things cost now. But if all I gotta do is move those in, we scored. Alright guys, good night.